So this is my first unboxing video, and the only reason why I'm doing it, I have watched several unboxing videos, and depending on the type of guitar it is, I think it's pretty damn cool. I don't know what it is about it, but the reason why I'm doing it with this specific guitar is because as soon as I saw the image on Solar's website, I freaked out and just had to have this just on the appearance alone. But it just so happens that it's got all the specs I want. I'm not going to waste any more time talking about the story why I bought this guitar and so on and so forth. I'm just going to do the unboxing. Alrighty, so let's see what we got. So this is the box that came in, and I'm going to set the camera up and see what we got. Okay. So it was put together with staples, big staples so far, which is kind of weird for packaging such a fragile item, but let's see what we have inside. And there you go. Got another box. So a box within a box, but this one is not sealed. And there we go. Came packed in a gig bag. So let's see what we got. Oh. Alrighty. There's my dog and everything, but okay. So far, it's a very nice padded case. I like it. Yeah. And you got some extra compartments for whatever you want there. And so that's what you got coming in. Comes strapped in there, wrapped up in some padding. Undo this. Headstock is nice, packed with some extra wrap and rubber bands. Very nice. Put that over there. Ooh, gotta grab this so the dog doesn't eat it and choke. So like I said, this is my first unboxing video, and I know I suck at the video itself, so I apologize for that. Oh my god. So let me set the camera back up and see what we got. Oh yeah. Holy crap. Unbelievable. So let me put this down, see what we got. And there she is. Surprisingly, just by looking at it, you would expect, when I saw the video with Ola, it looked like it would be quite a heavy guitar, but it actually isn't. It is quite light. I'm absolutely thrilled about it. Now, if you look at the hardware, it has that worn look to it, so it's not all bright and shiny, which is what I liked about the Evertune. So there you have it. We'll, let me see what the back looks like. Oh yeah, awesome. Well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it.